Hi everyone. Today I will be going over and working out AMC 8 2020 problems 1 through 5. Later on I will make more sections like 6 through 10, 10 through 15, and then 15 through 20, and then 20 through 25. So let's start with problem 1. So, Luca is making lemonade to sell at a school fundraiser. His recipe requires 4 times as much water as sugar and twice as much sugar as lemon juice. He uses 3 cups of lemon juice. How many cups of water does he need? Alright, so first of all, let's set up a sort of inequality. So, water is equal to 4 times sugar, and then sugar is equal to 2L, or lemon juice. So, since we know how many cups of lemon juice he has 3 cups of lemon juice, let's work out this problem first. So we know L equals 3, so 2L, we can replace that with 6. So now we know S is equal to 6. And so now we can figure out this problem by replacing S in this situation with 6. So W would equal to 4 times 6, which ultimately equals 24. Now notice it says cups of water and not how many cups of lemonade in total. So we have our answer, which is 24. So our answer would be E24. Now, on to problem 2. 4 friends do yard work for their neighbors over the weekend and earning $15, $20, $25, and $40 respectively. They decide to split their earnings equally among themselves. In total, how much will the friend who earned $40 have to give to the others? Now they all respectively earn that much. They decide to split it equally, and then we have to figure out how much money does the friend who earned $40 have to give the others. So first of all, we have to find out how much does each person get to know how much the friend who got $40 will keep for himself and give how much left to the other friends. So we simply put all the numbers in a mean equation or to find the average. So parentheses, because the order of operations, we need to do that. 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 40. And all of this divided by the number of friends, which is 4 friends. Which all of this equals 15 plus 25 equals 40 plus 40, 80 plus 20 equals 100, divided by 4, which also equals 25. Meaning each friend will get $25. So now that we know this, we can find out how much the friend who got $40 needs to give to the others. So that person, he or she, they will keep $25. So that means 40 minus $25, the amount of money they will keep subtracted from the total amount of dollars they got equals $15. That means they will have to give this $15 to somebody else, so they'll have their equal fair share. And then 15 is also C. 15. Now on to the next question. Okay, so now we have problem 3. Carrie has a rectangular garden that measures 6 feet by 8 feet. She plants the entire garden with strawberry plants. Carrie is able to plant 4 strawberry plants per square foot, and she harvests an average of 10 strawberries per plant. How many strawberries can she expect to harvest? Alright, so So Carrie has her garden 6 feet by 8, 6 by 8, and then she is able to plant 4 strawberry plants per square foot, and then she will get 10 strawberries per plant. So first of all, let's find the total area of her garden, which is 6 times 8, which equals 48 total. Now, we multiply 48 by 4 to find the total amount of strawberry plants she can plant, which is 4 times 8 is 32, bring over the 3, which is 192. Yes. So, she is able to plant 192 strawberry plants. Ooh, that's a lot. And then for every strawberry plant, she can get 10 strawberries. So now we multiply 192 by 10 to find the total amount of strawberries, which is what we're trying to find. How many strawberries can she expect to harvest? Which is 1,920 strawberries, which is D. We are on a roll, and now on to problem 4. Okay, now we have problem 4. 3 hexagons of increasing size are shown below. Suppose the dot pattern continues so that each successive hexagon contains one more band of dots. How many dots are there in the next hexagon? So we're trying to find how many dots are in the next hexagon. So the way that they suggest us do is to find the next band. Now, I do not recommend this way, but if you like that way better, you could do that. But if you're not getting this problem right, then I do not suggest you use this way. So, let's look at this situation a different way. So first of all, we have 1 row of dots here. We have 3 rows of dots here. So we have 5 rows of dots here. And so we know this is increasing by 2 rows every time. Meaning that the next one will have 7 rows. Next, let's look at how many dots will be in each line. So let's say this is our top line. It has 1 dot. This top line has 2 dots. This one has 3. So this also tells us that the top row will have 4 dots. And now let's look at something else. We can't use this one because this one's not applicable. So we have 2, 3, 2. We have 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Meaning the next pattern will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then if we count that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And so that's all we have to do. Let's just add together all these numbers over here. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. Or simply 8 plus 10, that does not look like a 10, plus 12 plus 7, which is 8 plus 12 equals 30, plus 10, 40, plus 7 equals 47. 8 plus 2, that's 20. 37, sorry. 37, and which it is B, 37. Let me erase all this to B, 37. Last question. Alright, our last and final problem, problem 5. 3/4 of a pitcher. Notice that it's a pitcher. Is filled with pineapple juice. The pitcher is empty by pouring an equal amount of juice into 5 cups. What's the total capacity of the pitcher did each cup receive? Okay, so let's assume we have this rectangle pitcher. It can be any type, but this is easier to split into fourths. So pineapple juice, so we'll use yellow. 3/4 is filled with pineapple juice, meaning that we have 3/4 right here. Now, if we want to know how much is in each cup, there are 5 cups and they report equally, we can just divide this by 5. And then, using keep it change, you flip it, 3/4 times 1/5, which equals 3/20. Now, if you're really good at math, you could probably see already that it's 15 because it asks percent. But for those if you don't know, I will explain. So, percent, it means per 100. So, 100, and then if it's every 20%, 5%. So that means 1/20th equals 5%. So, if we have 3 of these 5%, we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals a total of 15%, which is C, 15. Hope you understood everything in this video. If you did not, please comment in the video and I will respond. Thank you for watching and happy learning.